Ka Southwest Castles District Bat Kamokrawat Arm Wrestling Association kadap da kijingkemen bat ngau sarong ya kinong le kai arm wrestling kadong kathan ki balawan ra bun ni kitakma kum ka gold, silver, bronze ha ka 35th Meghalaya State and 3rd Para Arm Wrestling Championship Arhajar Arpun Rio malapun long Haseng Kasi College Jayau nadu ka shipo tarik hadu ka khatsau tarik Ulaber Arhajar Arpun Rio layo banjet igini ginongala kai kunkti lang ba ka 3rd Southwest Castles District Level Championship Selection Trial Arhajar Arpun Rio malapun long da Kamaukarwat Arm Wrestling Association Southwest Castles District lajet Arpun Rio ngut ginongila kai bat kilala benlek kilong arpu saungut kentup lang ya ki kentai ki senrang bat ki para lani ki PWD athlete nakini ki arpu saungut ki bala job adio medal kilong khat saungut baro ki medal baro bala yo kilong arpu santli kata pratli kata kemaksiar pratli kata kemarupa bat khandai tli kata kemarnong kapapen kemen syu yak Southwest Castles District kalong ba ka history jong ka Meghalaya arm wrestling kala nabau Jimison Marweng arpo isnam karta ubanak senong maurang lang Southwest Castles District layo ban penrem bat job ya ka champion of champions baro arteli kakti right hand bat left hand dakaba ula penrem bat job yu uba Alan Sun Marbanyang uba julong u all time champion jong ka Meghalaya labun bun snam
Come on, Jimmy!
Come on, Jimmy!
Come on, Jimmy! Come on, Jimmy, bomb! Come on!
Nakek. Jimmy, let's go! Yes! Yes! Hey! Go, Jimmy! Grab it, stay! No, let's